Welcome to Backspace Academy. We're currently at the start of all the pathways to AWS certification preparation with Backspace Academy. So it doesn't matter whether you're just going to go on and do the Cloud Practitioner certification, or if you're going to go further and do an associate level certification like the Developer or Solutions Architect or SysOps Administrator Associate. This is still fundamental required knowledge for you to proceed any further. So make sure that you don't skip over this and do it. And without any further ado, let's get into it. So what is the AWS Cloud? AWS has invested billions of dollars in IT resources that are distributed across the globe. And the use of those resources is shared amongst thousands upon thousands of AWS account holders. Now, although those resources are shared amongst those account holders, the accounts themselves are completely isolated from each other at the hypervisor level. You also have the option of your own dedicated resources if you wish. You as an account holder can have on-demand delivery of IT resources on a pay-as-you-go pricing model with no upfront cost. You only pay for what you use. The more you use, the more you pay. The less you use, the less you pay. When you don't use it, you don't pay for it. When you use it, you pay by the hour or the minute or the second. And some services even provide billing by the millisecond. Now that provides some really good economies of scale because the cost of that infrastructure is shared across thousands upon thousands of account holders. If you're a large enterprise, that is great because you don't have to worry about the capital expenditure of your own infrastructure. And you don't have to worry about the maintenance staff to support that infrastructure. Now that infrastructure is organised according to a range of different product types. If you want to use those IT resources for pure computing power, AWS can do that for you. If you want to use AWS just to store data, AWS can do that for you as well. If you want to run a database as a service, if you want to run a relational database, a NoSQL database, a graph database as a service, AWS can do that for you. And they'll do that on demand on a pay-as-you-go pricing model. The AWS Global Infrastructure is massive and is divided into geographic regions, and those geographic regions are divided into separate availability zones. As you can see, there are lots of regions distributed throughout the globe. For this course, we will be using the North Virginia region because that is the largest region and supports all of the available AWS services. If you're using a smaller region, for example, Mumbai, you may encounter problems if it doesn't support all of the services. The AWS GovCloud is located in the US West Coast and is specifically for US government organizations. There is also an AWS secret region, and I can't tell you where that is because it's a secret. That region is specifically for US government intelligence organizations, and in case you're wondering, yes, the CIA is a customer of AWS. Your choice of region can depend upon a number of things, and you may want to have the lowest latency, and you want your server to be located as close to your customers as possible. But you may also want to minimize costs. For example, I'm located in Sydney, but I mainly use the North Virginia region because it is cheaper for me. You may also want to locate your server in another country for regulatory reasons, or you may want to be located in your country for regulatory reasons. So there are a number of factors to take into consideration when selecting a region. Each region is divided up into at least 2 availability zones that are physically isolated from each other. This provides business continuity for your infrastructure if you have it distributed across multiple availability zones. If one availability zone goes down, the infrastructure in the other availability zone will continue to operate. The largest region, US East North Virginia, has 6 availability zones. And the availability zones are connected to each other through a high-speed fibre optic network. There are over 100 edge locations that are used for the CloudFront content delivery network. CloudFront can cache your popular content, such as images and videos, and distribute that to edge locations across the globe for high-speed delivery to your end users, no matter where they are located. And it'll do that with very low latency. It also provides great protection against DDoS attacks. The AWS Management Console is a web-based interface to AWS, and we'll use it throughout the course to access AWS services. And you'll also use it to monitor your costs. You need to have an account to access it, but once you have an account created, you can access it simply by clicking on the My Account menu from the AWS website and then selecting the Management Console. There's also an AWS Console mobile app, and that is great for tablets. You can also access AWS resources through the many software development kits. This allows you to create applications that use AWS as a back end. There are SDKs for all the major languages, and there's also a mobile SDK. It's also possible to access AWS with direct HTTP calls using the AWS REST API. You can also install a command line interface on your desktop, and that will allow you to remotely connect into AWS and also be able to create and run scripts to automate a lot of the processes on AWS. The AWS website is located at aws.amazon.com. What I want you to do now is to go to that website and bookmark some pages of the website. The first one is the certification page, and that will have links to everything you need to know about the certification process. So if you're not sure what certification to do, or you want to know how to schedule and sit an exam, that is a place to go. The next one is the documentation page. Throughout the course, we will be referencing the documentation for the services on AWS. So that is a very important link. And the exam, it's going to be testing your knowledge of a lot of this documentation. AWS also has a site specifically for white papers, and they discuss technical issues and use cases for AWS. The products page gives a really good overview of the main products of AWS. And finally, the new products and services page, and that'll keep you up to date on the latest things that are happening in AWS. Okay, let's get started with AWS. First off, go to aws.amazon.com. Click on the orange sign up button in the top right-hand corner and complete that sign up process. You'll need to have a credit card to sign up, but don't be too concerned, as there is a free tier available for a 12-month period, and most of the course will be operating under that free tier. We can also set up a billing alert to alert you if you exceed your budget. For example, we can set up a $5 billing alert to notify you if you exceed $5 for the month. Once you've created that account, you can then get into the Management Console by clicking on the My Account menu and selecting AWS Management Console. Coming up next will be some hands-on labs on AWS services, so make sure that you download the lab notes that come with this introduction to AWS before proceeding any further. And once you've done that, I'll see you in the next lecture.